Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. And today I'll be showing you on how to download and install Lightroom on PC or laptop. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then type out download BlueStacks and then click on enter. So first you just have to click on this website right here and you have to download the BlueStacks. Okay, so just click on the download and after that you just have to install it. Now we just have to open the BlueStacks after installing it and then click on the search button and then type out Lightroom and then click on enter. And after that, you just have to click on the Lightroom application and then click on install via Google Play. After that, you just have to wait until the download process is complete. So just click on install via Google Play and that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.